Gutted is an informal adjective. It means very disappointed. I've lost my new phone. I'm absolutely gutted. Something worth pointing out about the pronunciation is that native speakers often glottalise the T. That means that they pronounce it as a glottal stop. A glottal stop is where the vocal folds come together, but only for a moment, and stop the sound. You can practice by saying uh-oh, uh-oh, gutted, gutted. This is quite common, especially in parts of London. Adele, for example, says gutted, not gutted. It happens with a lot of words, like instead of butter, butter, butter. I'll do a video about this at some point. Gutted comes from the verb to gut. If you gut something, you cut it open and you take out the internal organs. Now, if somebody did that to you, you'd feel pretty bad. So, gutted is used figuratively to describe a feeling of emptiness or loss or great disappointment. I'm gutted. I didn't get the promotion. I failed my driving test again. I'm absolutely gutted. Can you think of a time when you felt gutted? Tell me in the comments.